Hi everyone, welcome back. So this is King Pips FX. Karibuni tena katika channel yetu. If you are new to this YouTube channel, usisahau kusubscribe and weka notification ya kengele ili uwe kwanza kuview video zetu kila zinapokuwa zinatoka. So guys, leo nipo hapa kufanya breakdown ya Eurocard, but before doing a top down analysis ya Eurocard, I would like to introduce you guys to this broker Deriv. Hope you guys kila mtu anamjua Deriv. If you don't have this broker, so take the link on our description below upate kujoin na huyu broker. Is really good broker and you can trade even volatilities, indices and those boom and crash whatever. So he also offers currencies and you can trade at a minimum of $10. So you guys, if you're really interested with this, just go to the description below and click the link so you can trade kupitia Deriv. So let's get up on the chart on Eurocard, starting with the monthly time frame. So we are about to do a top down analysis. Tunaanza kufanya top down analysis hapa tukianzia katika monthly time frame. Nitaanza kuplot horizontal katika those potential areas. So nitaanzia hapo. As you can see, ilikuwa great support ilivyofika market ikatap, trend go up. Everywhere market tapped in this area, the buyers took place. So, and I'll spot my such kind of resistance around this area here. As you can see, anytime, anywhere, just sellers took their shorts. So on weekly time frame, twendeni weekly time frame tukaone what is our major site katika weekly time frame. So I'll just spot my horizontal around this area here and another one around this area here. So turning back on daily time frame, so this is what we have on daily time frame. So I'll just plot my horizontal around this area here as a great support guys, and I'll just plot my another horizontal ray around these areas here as a great resistance. As you can see, the market tended to go sideways move all these days around this area. So dropping wise into 4 hours time frame, and let's see what the chart has to break for us. So kwa wale ambao wanatumia press action, tunaona katika area hii ya support kulikuwa na this kind of tweezer pattern, also known as engulfing this one around this area here, ili eneo. This is a reversal pattern. Hii ni reversal chart ambayo inaweza kutuonesha kwamba bulls are likely to take over this market. So let's dig into lower time frame and see why and how. Into 1 hour time frame, kulikuwa kuna great trend hapa ambayo ilikuja ikavunjwa. So let's see this trend and where did we take the entries. So nikichora trend yangu vizuri around that area from that low to this low here. Ukichora trend usisahau kuconnect the tails. Some do collect the tails, some do connect the bodies. I prefer mostly to connect the tails. Tunaona hapa, so on 1 hour time frame kulikuwa kuna hii trend ambayo ilikuwa obey this support trend and this resistance trend. Tunaona market ilikuwa ina obey this trend here from low to high, low to high, low to high, low to high, low, until the trend was broken here and some retests were done around this area. So the market tended to create new high and came back to new low here. So we expect new higher high around that area to make new higher lows. So you guys, for I took my entries after this retest here. So my take profit will be around that area and I'll be packing a lot of pips around those areas. So hope you guys really enjoyed this lesson. If you enjoyed this lesson. Don't forget to share our videos to your friends. Share the link. Don't forget to like, subscribe what you wish to. But before I finish up on this pair, kwenye hile ingwelifying tulioiona katika 4 hours time frame, kulikuwa kuna kulikuwa kuna this great reversal head and shoulder. Kama kuna mtu atakuwa anaiona, kulikuwa kuna great reversal head and shoulder. Tunaona this was the left shoulder and this was the head, so that was the right shoulder. Till then market tapped that area. So this is a reversal pattern. So you guys enjoyed this lesson, keep on sharing these videos. I think it's worthy and it's helpful. So love you all. Bye bye. So guys, don't forget